New Year's Day 2026, McAllister Place. No one is here. And there's Toys R Us, and it is shut down. The parking lot is bare. Nothing's going on. Parkway Mall is closed too. We have a snowstorm and the big plows coming. We're in the middle of a shutdown snowstorm. There's Parkway Mall and it is closed too again.